This lady right here has made 45,000 naira with what I'm going to be sharing with you here, and this one has made thousands of dollars with the second method I'm going to share. And these people you're seeing here on your screen right now have also made thousands of dollars with what I'm going to be sharing with you here on this video. But before we get started, if you're a new creator, you must have known that before you get monetized on YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And to be honest, this feat is not an easy one to attain, but you can actually make money without waiting for your monetization. All you need to do is just to make sure to watch this video to the end and try to implement the things you're going to learn, because if you don't do any of this, then you're watching this video is totally a waste for you. For us to begin, you need to understand that starting a YouTube channel is something that, one, you have made a decision about, and secondly, you don't really have anything to lose. Now let me explain this to you. So what I mean is, if you publish a video on YouTube, you are expected to have views on the videos, and these views translate to watch hours and subscribers. Now, even if you don't get any subscriber, you have gained a view and watch hour. Now, if you don't have any of these, like you didn't get any views or watch hours or subscribers, you must have gained the experience. So what it means is that you try as much as you can to improve on the video you made previously, like trying to ask some questions and try to get some answers to the reason why your videos did not get views and all this kind of stuff. And indirectly, you see yourself learning and growing as you go on your journey as a YouTuber. So going back to how you can actually make money on YouTube without being monetized, even as a small creator or a new channel here on YouTube. Now, if you come to YouTube and look for Get Ready With Me shorts, these are basically videos of people that show themselves getting ready or getting dressed to go out or to do any of their life activities. Now, here on YouTube, you're going to see lots of videos about people, you know, getting ready and preparing to leave their houses, or just getting ready if it's just for the video. So if you check, you see that lots of them has millions of views. Like this one has 7.7 million views. This one has 7.2 million views. This one has 2.5 million views. This is to show you that people are actually watching these videos and they're enjoying watching it. And in most cases, like the lady you saw at the beginning of this video, what she did was to take some clothes in her store and did a Get Ready With Me video with the clothes, and people started asking her where they could get the clothes because they enjoyed it and they loved what she did. Like they loved the clothes she displayed in the video. So these are the type of videos you can make. And according to the lady, people that reached out to her and said they wanted those clothes or asked where they can get the clothes she used in the video, she referred them to her store, and she was able to make sale of 45,000 naira because she is staying in Nigeria. So if you can make something like this, you can get some of these products from Amazon or anywhere at all online. Sign up to the affiliate program, and then you attach your affiliate link to the description of your video. Where by the time you make them, then you see that because these videos get lots of views, once people watch them, imagine this one that has 7.7 million views. Imagine that at least 1 million persons went to the description of that video. At least 200 persons may click the link if they like maybe the makeup, or they have a particular product she used they like, or they want to wear that type of makeup. So you see that people will be interested, and then they use your affiliate link and then purchase this product, and then you get commission. That is another way you're going to make money. However, you need to make sure that your editing is appealing, the video is entertaining, it's not stiff, you know, so that people will enjoy it, and then they'll be willing to click the like button and then go to your description, you know, to check out 1 or 2 things they can get from that video. And the best part about this video is the more views you get, the more your chances of getting more subscribers and watch hours too. And of course, you know that you can get monetized using shorts by the time you get to like 3 million views. So seeing that these videos about Get Ready With Me are getting lots of views, you have high chances of getting views, provided your editing is appealing and the way you presented your video is nice enough for people to like. Now, the second thing we're going to be talking about is what they call UGC content. Now, for those that don't know about UGC, UGC is just an acronym for user generated content. This is where you make sort of advert / review of a particular product. Now, most people that do this, people that this is their job, what they usually do is once they make these videos, the companies that own these products reach out to them, they take the videos and then they pay them for creating content about their products. The lady you saw, the second lady, that was how she was able to make thousands of dollars, you know, by creating UGC for companies. However, you can actually use products you have affiliate link to from anywhere at all. I'm also going to show you how to I'll get into affiliate programs of products later on this video. So in case you don't have or don't know how to go about this, I'm going to show you how you can do that using Google. So once you get affiliate products, you can make a video maybe unboxing the products or showing people how to use the product or sharing your thoughts about how the product went for you. So if you go here again on YouTube and look for UGC content shorts, now as you can see on this one, this person is unboxing Adidas. This is a UGC, and once you like this shoe, you can use the link in this person's description to buy from Adidas. That is if the person is not being paid by Adidas. And if this person is being paid by Adidas, then the person is going to receive their money. However, you have to know that some of these videos, as a new creator, you might not really be getting much views like that, but consistency is the key. If you try this type of short videos for 30 days, you come back here to give me your results. So now the third strategy we are going to be talking about is the one you also saw at the beginning of this video, and that is showing how you made your crafts. Like if you have some skills, like let's say you know how to do all these bead necklaces and earrings or beaded handbags, all those kind of stuff, you can make a short video about how you created, the process it took you, and after, or the finished product, so that people see it. If it's appealing to them, you see a lot of people enjoy this video. Now again, if you go to YouTube and look for shorts for handmade craft, so now as you can see, this one has 4.3 million views, this one has 1.4 million views, this one has 1.5 million views, and you can see that what these people are doing is just to show you how they're able to produce these things, and they will show you the end result. Now if you open one of these videos like this one, you're going to see that the person has started doing the product and everything, and then you're going to see how the person was able to make these things, and in the end you're going to see the end result. And if these things are appealing to you, or you enjoy them, or you want any of these, you can buy from them. That is if they are selling it, or you can even use it as a tutorial to teach people how to produce some of this handmade stuff. And even if you don't have any craft, like even if you don't have any skill that you can use to create a handmade product that you can sell, you can actually go over to Google and look for affiliate program on any niche that you have picked to talk about in your videos. Take for instance, if you're talking about home decoration, you can go to Google and type home decoration affiliate program, and you're going to see a list of affiliate programs on home decoration. So what you do is, if you're making videos about this home decoration, you can add your affiliate link to your description, such that once people finish watching it, they enjoy it, they can go to your description and make sales using your affiliate link, and then you're earning commission. This one personally has worked for me. I've used it to make some dollars, when I had like 500 or 700 subscribers thereabout. So this is something you can actually do, to make money online on the side, while you keep building your audience and growing your watch hour. Hopefully you get monetized. Now if you're able to watch this video so far, it means that you're really serious about making money on YouTube. So I encourage you, using this video, to keep up with whatever you're doing. If you're having issues with choosing a niche, you don't need to overthink it. Just do what comes to mind, and over time you have clarity about what you should talk about in your video, and then you see yourself making money on YouTube. So if this video was helpful, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. Please know that for these things I share to work for you, consistency is key. You can't just make 1 or 2 videos and probably you didn't get much view and then you get discouraged. So I urge you to try this for a month and come back here to give me your result. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.